The new Korth Fiber system for manufacturing GFRP reinforcing mesh brings several new features to increase your production with greater quality. New resin impregnation systems reduce resin losses and increase productivity. New turbo curing system with infrared lamps and easy access for cleaning and maintenance. 100% CNC cross-feed control. Tractor integrated cutting system. Our exclusive braiding technology produces a flexible and strong mesh, compatible with market standards with up to 3 meters in width and infinite length. Its autonomy is impressive. The KTF GFRP Mesh Plus can manufacture up to 180 square meters per hour. The GFRP reinforcing mesh are used in construction in various applications such as flooring and paving. Buy with special conditions. Korth Fiber. The expanding future.